Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well today. So today in this video, I'm going to create two beautiful springtime, summertime candle vases. Some of the items I'm using today I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and the rest I picked up from Amazon and from my local thrift store. So I'm going to start with this round bowl. I picked that up from the Dollar Tree. And the smaller vase here I picked up from my thrift store. So I'm going to be using these two vases today to create two ideas. And I'm also going to be using these smaller dishes. I used these I think in my last video. I have two left and I'm going to be using these today. And I got these from the Dollar Tree, and you get a set of 4 when you pick them up for $1.25. So I'm going to be using those as well. So I'm going to get started, and I'm going to start by cleaning everything with some alcohol and a paper towel. So for my paint today, I'm going to be using the Folk Art Treasure Gold paint. I'll be using the gold color, and that silver color, it's called platinum. And I'm going to paint the inside of each of the smaller dishes. So now that everything is dry, as it came out really nice and the color is nice and solid. So I'm going to start by adding some embellishment. I'm going to use some silver braid. This braid is called Gimp, and I picked that up from Amazon. It's really nice decorative trim. Now that that's done, I'm going to be adding the silver beads that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Almost forgot. I got these from the Dollar Tree. This is a silver beaded necklace, like a Mardi Gras type necklace. I'm going to be using that today, and I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue, and I'm going to adhere that to the top of the trim. So that looks really cute, guys. So now that that's done, I'm going to take the round vase from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to apply the Gimp trim to the top edge of the vase. So now I'm going to use a little bit of my permanent adhesive, and I'm going to adhere the two pieces together. So now it's time to decorate the gold dish, and I'm going to decorate this exactly the same as I did the silver. So to finish up the project, guys, I'm going to be using this gold. These are like golden diamonds, gold diamonds. I picked this up from Amazon. This is the name of the company, Bememo. And I picked them up in silver as well. And I'm going to add them as filler to both vases. So what I'm going to do is switch up the color a little bit. I'm going to put the silver diamonds in the gold vase and the gold diamonds in the silver vase. And that's going to give it a nice customized look. It's going to give it a nice classic look as well. I'm going to be using some candles that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. The gold and the silver candles that you see, I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And guys, I absolutely love the way this came out. This is so pretty, and it's perfect for spring and summertime on a picnic table. It's perfect to put out on a dining room table or on your fireplace, or you can put it in a small little nook in your home. Anyway, guys, that is it. I love the project. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate it. And you all stay well, stay safe, stay blessed, and I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.